Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite lightweight trailers. This thing weighs right about 3,700 pounds. This is a 2018 Coachmen Apex 213 RDS. What's really nice with this one, aside from the weight being about 3,700 pounds, you can tow that with almost anything. It's not real long, it's about 21 feet, not counting the hitch, so it's nice and compact, but it does have a tandem axle. Most of your smaller trailers around this size are single axle, so that's a nice big advantage there. You have solar prep on it, so you can plug solar panel into this. You've got a big pass-through in here that you can get to from both sides. This is tongue and groove plywood in the floor on this, no OSB in the floors. Big deal. So you got a power awning on the outside here with an LED light strip in it. You got a couple outdoor speakers with some LED lights on it on the outside too. This is an aluminum frame, which is part why it's so light. It's got the fiberglass on the outside. They also use less wood in one of these, which helps makes it lighter and better insulated and less prone to leaks if something happens. So you got something called Asdel in here, which is really nice to have in case water did ever get in and touch something. It's either aluminum or it's Asdel. So you've got seamless countertops and always all your Coachmen products. So all the tabletops, countertops are always seamless with no T-molding. You have a dinette in the back, a lot of windows back here so you can lounge out in the back. This also breaks to an extra bed. You got a full couch. You know how hard it is to find something under 25 feet with a couch and a dinette and a walk-around queen bed up front. So the three things that kind of a lot of people are looking for, along with the tandem axle, this one kind of hits it all. So you got good counter space, Bluetooth set up there for your music. You got cabinetry above and below, microwave, a nice split sink. Another thing that's nice with this one is you got a real fridge, full two-door fridge, not your one-door fridge with a little mini freezer in it. You got a stand-up shower, nice counter space for a small trailer. Sometimes the bathrooms get kind of weird in this shorter stuff, where you got to sit on the toilet while you shower. It's kind of nice to have a whole full shower there. Then some separation into this area to your master bedroom. You can set up a TV in here if you want, but it is a full walk-around queen bed, so nobody's got to crawl over anybody in the middle of the night to get out. You got some storage underneath it. You got closets on both sides of the bed, some overhead storage, LED reading lamps. All the lights in here are all LED. So, good setup. Very strong roofs, vacuum bonded roofs. That's not something you see in hardly anything. But this being a small enough trailer, they're able to get away with it. So it's a nice big open area here because you do have a slide. So being tandem axle, having a slide, a couch and a dinette, walk around bed, a real fridge and a real bathroom is really hard to get in this length and in this weight range that you can tow with some of the not really that big of an SUV. So a couple things I'll show you on the outside here. Full size spare on the back. Like I said, there's a lot of windows in this, so a lot of natural light gets let in. Here's your slide. You got your Schwintek slide system here. It's probably the most reliable slide system. All your connections for your power and your water and cable and satellite in one spot, nice and easy to get to. Outdoor shower and all your drains right there too, easy to get to, not in the way of the slide either. And then you come around, you have your other side of the pass-through. A really good combination of size, weight, and the price point. You're pretty close to 200 bucks a month or less on something like this, which was also kind of hard to find with all this stuff here. There's a few more things I'd like to show you on this, some other stuff that's similar. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001, and I'm Ryan.DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter. See you soon.